Hello friends, welcome to the PK tutorial. For your better experience, please subscribe the PK tutorial and press the bell icon for upcoming video notification. If you have any doubt, ask me on Instagram. Hi friend, in this video, my question is this, that how can we get city-wise count, gender-wise count and month-wise count. This is our raw data. In this data, 15 rows and 7 columns. So how can we get city-wise count, gender-wise count and month-wise count? This is our city-wise count. Here is Delhi 5, Jaipur 3, Mumbai 4 and Noida 3. This is our city and this is our count of city. This is our month-wise count. This is our month. First is Jan, third is March, fourth is April and 12 is December. And this is our count of month. This is our gender wise count. Female is 2, male is 13 and this is our count of gender. So I hope you understand it, that what's my question. If you will get this, then share your result data frame with your code on Instagram. Links are in description. If you have any other question, then ask me on Instagram. We will surely revert you. If you want to learn analytics, contact me on Instagram. I will help you in this. Thank you very much and please subscribe the PK tutorial for the latest video update.